Hey guys, what's up? And you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we are going to customize our dolls into our favorite celebrities. So, I think, I'm gonna choose the brunette made to move Barbie. So, Courtney, who is your favorite celebrity? Oh, I would like to be Selena Gomez. Oh, Selena Gomez, you're perfect to be her. I mean, yeah, really. So I take a look on the internet and I found out Selena Gomez having a wavy hair and she's wearing a white long sleeve and a black sleeve dress and she's wearing a black high heels. So we will be needing a needle and thread, scissor, black fabric and white fabric, and I got this pattern from a Froggy Stock. You better check her channel because it was amazing channel all about doll stuffs, DIYs and craftings. It was pretty amazing and that's my favorite channel here in YouTube. So I've got another pattern for the sleeve. So I'm gonna start by sketching, by tracing the pattern. And after tracing it, we're going to cut this out. Okay, so after cutting this out, I also cut the sleeves and I'm gonna fold it over and I'm gonna cut the excess right here, and I will be using needle and thread to sew the sleeve and half the shirt and right here I'm stitching this up. And after that, I'm gonna repeat the same procedure in the other side. And after that, I'm gonna hem the bottom right here, and I'm going to sew in the straight stitch. After doing that, after using the straight stitch, I'm just going to check if it really fits for the doll. Oh well, it's not that bad. When you take a look at her back, it's pretty wide right here. I think I'm just going to use the Velcro, but don't worry, I'm just going to use the hand stitch for the Velcro. I'm gonna cut the Velcro in half right here. I'm gonna fold the back of the sleeve, and I'm gonna stitch the Velcro right here. And I'm gonna use the straight stitch. Okay, after putting the Velcro in the other side, I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna have 3 cuts here in the neckline. Just a small cut right here on the other side. And we are going to hem the neckline. And after hemming the neckline, we're just gonna check it if it really fits again for our customized style. Alright, doesn't look bad after all. And now we are going to proceed for the block sleeve dress. Next part, I'll be using a yellow oil pastel to trace the block sleeve dress. So I'm gonna borrow the doll first. I'm gonna put her right here. So I'm gonna measure. Based on the picture, the black sleeve dress is right around her torso. So right here, I'm gonna measure the doll. Make sure to have the same allowance because later on, we're the yellow oil pastel is just a guide. We're just going to cut this off too. Right here. Okay, so we're gonna go here. And right after that, we're going to cut this out. You can cut the oil pastel. After cutting it out, flip it over, and the fabric is connected with each other, so we don't have to sew it. We're gonna place it in the doll. We're gonna place it in the doll to measure. Oh well, it's pretty good. And we're going to sew the sides. I'm gonna sew the sides, and I will be using a black thread. And I'm gonna sew it by using the straight stitch gun. Okay, after stitching the side, I'm gonna fold it right here, and I'm gonna hem the bottom, and I'm gonna use the straight stitch again right here for the heel. The black sleeve dress is pretty above her knee, so we're just going to fold it, and I'm just gonna use a straight stitch. After hem the bottom, I'm gonna stitch the other side. After stitching it, we're going to flip it over. We're going to place it in the doll to see if it fits. Oh yeah, not bad. And we're going to give her a little makeover. And to give her a makeover, I'm going to brush her hair first. Gently brush her hair, and I'm gonna spray some warm water in her hair. Her whole hair right here. We're going to give her a sunny beach wave. We're going to brush her hair again. And I'm going to braid her hair. And I'm going to lock it with hair rubber band. We're going to wait for like 30 minutes until it dries. It really depends on you. And I'm going to spray it once again. Make sure the water is warm. After that, we're going to put the dress on her. And I'm going to put some black high heels on her. And I'm going to remove the hair ribbon and her hair. Stay up till morning and head out exploring. And voila, we're done. That's it for today. We already have our first customized celebrity doll, Selena Gomez doll. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time to our next video. Bye everyone! Guys, she's here! Wait, who? Selena Gomez! She's here in our school! Oh wow! Really? Oh, hey guys! Oh, she's really... See? I told you! I'm sorry guys, I didn't mean to interrupt, but she is not Selena Gomez. She's your classmate, Courtney. Oh, dude. Well, whatever. We're just gonna have to take our pictures. Can we have a picture, Courtney? Of course, guys, you can. I'm coming home.